Hello everyone, welcome to back the Silent Code Hub. In this video, we are going to understand the program step by step. This video is specially made for beginners, so don't worry if you are new. The main purpose of this program is to understand how the logic works and how the output is generated. First, we include the header file stdio.h. This header file is required for input and output functions like printf and scan. Next, we have to the main function. This is the starting point of the program execution. Every C program must have a main function. Here, we declare variables to store values. These variables are used later in the program to perform operation. This is character. We used the character variable. Now this loop starts execution. The loop will run until the condition becomes false. Each time the loop runs, it executes the statement inside it. This condition checks whether the statement is true or false. If it is true, the code inside it if block will execute. Here we use the printf function to display output on the screen. This line prints the results according to the logic we applied. Now let's understand the output because the loop runs this many times. The output is printed in the format that we get this result. So this is how the complete program works from start to end. We include the header file, wrote the logic and got the input. If you understand this video, please like and share it. Subscribe to Silent Code Hub for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.